Hey, I'm Rodney,
And I'm Cyndi.
and this is our dream of leaving the comforts of a mainstream lifestyle to live like pirates. Cyndi joined me as first mate, and we have been unstoppable ever since.
Rodney and I have set our sails to a new adventure each week as we're learning the ropes of being a sailing couple.
Each season, there are plenty of things to do to get the boat ready and get out on the water.
When we're not working, we're creating food and drinks from the galley and searching for adventures around the docks with friends and locals.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and join us on our way to more sailing and adventures as we sail into Nirvana.
Ew. Some more ice on there.
Welcome aboard our new crew member.
I feel no shame, I'm proud of where I came from. I was born and raised in the boondocks. One thing I know, no matter where I go, I keep my heart and soul in the boondocks.
Yay!
Great. Good. Got 3.
Water running through my veins, and I can hear that lullaby of the midnight train, and it sings to me and it sounds familiar. I feel no shame, I'm proud of where I came from. I was born and raised in the boondocks. One thing I know, no matter where I go, I keep my heart and soul in the boondocks. I can taste that honeysuckle and it's still so sweet when it grows wild on the banks down at Old Camp Creek. Yeah, it calls to me like a warm wind blowing. I feel no shame, I'm proud of where I came from. I was born and raised in the boondocks. One thing I know, no matter where I go, I keep my heart and soul in the boondocks. It's where I learned about living. It's where I learned.
So, caress it. Make love to it.
Learned about Jesus and knowing where I stand. You can't take it or leave it. This is me. This is who I am. Give me a tin roof, a front porch, and a gravel road, and that's home to me. Feels like home to me. I feel no shame, I'm proud of where I came from. I was born and raised in the boondocks. One thing I know, no matter where I go, I keep my heart and soul in the boondocks. I keep my heart and soul in the boondocks. You get a line, I get a pole. We'll go fishing in the crawfish hole. 5-car poker on Saturday night, church on Sunday morning. You get a line, I get a pole. We'll go fishing in the crawfish down hole. In 5-car poker on Saturday night, church on Sunday morning. You get a line, I get a pole. We'll go fishing in the crawfish down in the 5-car poker on Saturday night, church on Sunday morning. Saturday night, church on Sunday morning. You get a line, I get a pole. We'll go fishing in the crawfish hole. 5-car poker on Saturday night, church on Sunday morning. You get a line, I get a pole. We'll go fishing in the crawfish hole.
The line broke.
That was fun while it lasted.
How you feeling?
That would have made some good gar balls, wouldn't it?
The line broke.
Line broke. So that was what, probably a good 3.5 foot gar? I couldn't get his tail in my net.
I don't.
Got him up out of the water. I could have grabbed the snout, but then I would have had no hand on the pole, and I had to do this. So I tried to get him up and get that, and the line broke.
That's why I said the net is way too small for him.
All right, back to the drawing board.
And knowing where I stand, you can take it or leave it. This is me, this is who I am. Give me a tin roof, a front porch and a gravel road, and that's home to me. Feels like home to me. I feel no shame, I'm proud of where I.
This guy is like
Tiny compared to the other one.
he's all right. He just don't step on no hooks.
Yes.
All right, so we're good. We got him locked in.
Got him locked in.
We're gonna have fish fry.
Just not Gar.
Yeah. That would we could have invited everybody over to the gar. That would have fed like 10 people.
He was so big.
All right. All right, this catfishing right here. See, you put the shad on, worms or whatever, shrimp, throw it out there, you hook it in like this. The lines are tight, and if there's any movement, you'll know. And then it's beer 30, and we just sit here and talk. We were sitting here talking about nothing, day, whatever, and you just sit here and you bullshit, and then all of a sudden, bam! Hold that, hold on a second. Keep that thought. I gotta go reel in this fish. That's catfishing. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right. I've got that catfish marinated, filleted in my special seasoning, panko bacon, shrimp and catfish. Making it right now. Right. All right, yeah, we got the catfish now cooked on the table. What do you think?
It looks delicious.
We're gonna dig into this catfish, right?
Yes.
And shrimp with the panko, the pork panko.
Right.
Right now, this is a couple remoulade sauces right here. This is your standard kind of traditional remoulade, and this is more like a balsamic vinegar, a little spicy remoulade. Cyndi, we got a nice night out here, nice and calm, low wind.
It's a little humid.
A little humid, but you know, it's got a cloud cover, it's cooling off. I can tell fall is coming into play.
Gotta watch for bones. How spicy is that?
That's not spicy.
Well, this one's is spicy. I was like, that tasted spicy, so I'm like, how much am I gonna, okay. Catfish is delicious.
Saw this catfish out right.
It's good. If it wasn't for him, I'd never eat catfish unless it was from a store.
Well, this is a catch and cook night.
We're up here at Tim's and Monty's houseboat on the top here on the block where he's cooking that dog on the grill over here. I'm about to make some kebab right here for you. That is how they back going down. I'll see you downstairs, but sir. And do like sausage right there. Sausage, peppers, shrimp. We're out here at the Eagle's Nest. It's Eagle Point Marina.
We had a little rainstorm come through here, but we're fine. We're just going to sit up here in the fly bridge and cook.
It's good Labor Day.
Yeah, happy Labor Day, everybody. It's a good Labor Day. It started.
Yeah.
Finally, the storm rolled out. We got creeped up on the boat all weekend, but hey, this is cool.
It's a good way to end it.
Good way to end the weekend.
Say hi, Daddy.
Yeah, I look for the light through the pouring rain. You know that's a game that I hate to lose, and I'm feeling the strain. Oh, any shame? Oh, give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Won't you take?
Don't be shy when you use an Old Bay now. Oh, there's a meat lover stick.
I'll take that.
Okay, yeah, so we're grilling on top of this boat. It was pretty cool. This is the Eagle's Nest. A friend of ours, Monty, and him invited us for the day. And we get to see, after the storms roll through, beautiful Lake Lewisville from the Eagle's Nest here at Eagle Point Marina.
The world outside looks so unkind, and I'm counting on you. You can carry me through.
Yeah. Awesome. All right. Hey, thanks, Monty. Hell yeah. Nice gig you got here. What do you got there, Cyndi?
I have some bombs.
Shoot. So that one. Art. Okay. Hell yeah.
Give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Won't you take me away?
Every Monday.
It's a tradition?
It is a tradition.
Right on.
I don't get Sunday, so I get Monday,
When I'm feeling blue, the guitar's coming through to soothe me. Thanks for the joy that you're giving me. The joy that you're giving me. I want you to know that I believe in your song. Rhythm and rhyme and harmony. You help me along.
Okay, we're going to Sneaky Pete's. We just got off the Eagle's Nest with some friends. We're going to go into Sneaky Pete's and check it out. You know, they're going to tear this place down in a month.
We have to enjoy it as much as we can.
We have to get over here. Let's go see who's playing. Hello.
Give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Drift away. Give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Just give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Yeah. Oh, won't you take me? Oh, won't you take me? I wanna drift away. Won't you take me away? I wanna drift away. I wanna drift away. Take me home. Let me drift away. Won't you take me away?
There we go. He's photo bombing over here. This is a photo bomber. We got another one. He's like, hell yeah. Yeah, over here at Sneaky Pete's.